Okay, it's February 23rd, about 10:45 in the morning. There's a nice cool breeze coming off the Lake Bellagio. Let's take a walk and see what's going on. All right, let's go. Now I'm going to add my own music because there is some copyright music playing in the background, so you know how it goes. We all know the story. Let's have some fun. Starbucks. All right, let's zip through here, do an up down, and head for. Woohoo! I made it. Well, well, well. What do you know? Escalators at work. Wrong way, heading towards Caesars. Oh, sorry. All right, heading towards Caesar's Palace. Like I said, it's a nice day today, you guys. You should be here. Remember, whatever happens here, only happens here. That's the new slogan for Vegas. They're trying to get out of the, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, to what happens here only happens here. Is it good or bad? Marketing people, who knows, right? Who knows? From what I've read, this show, Absinthe, whatever it's called, really, really good. Really good. Great reviews. People just enjoy it. I've never seen it myself. And just to the right of us, we have the illustrious Hell's Kitchen, Las Vegas. Lovely place. Tasty food. You know, whenever I walk down here by Caesar's, I'm always reminded of Evel Knievel's jump so many years ago when he crashed hard and broke a whole lot of bones. Have our lovely shrine right here. It's always nice to see. Let's wake up. They have the fountains going today in front of Caesar's. Hey, hey. On a beautiful day like today. Like I said, it was raining. I didn't say it. It was raining and cold yesterday. So we had the clouds clear out and give us some sunshine. It's nice. However, because Vegas has so many clear days, cloudy days are kind of a treat, you know? Nice formations and everything else. But it's just clear today, so I guess we'll have to deal with it. It's a straight-on shot of Caesar's. It's funny, this morning, 2 days ago, I was watching on my private life, right? Doctor Who, Angels Take Manhattan. It was a good show. Very good episode. Got our lovely bollards for our safety. Because these psycho drivers try to eliminate us. So hey, that is good, y'all. And the jaywalker. Whoa. Clowns everywhere. Surely wherever they're going, they could have waited 3 or 4 minutes. before running in front of traffic, right? Now, if they got hit by a car, they'd have been complaining, why did they get hit? I don't know, you guys. Just be careful out there, okay, you guys? Just be careful wherever you are. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's roll. Hello, Dolly. Oh, there's the Las Vegas big bus in front of us. You know, I haven't done that yet, but I've been thinking of just getting one of the earliest tours in the day to check it out. Make a little video, have a little fun. You know? Could be fun though, yeah? But do it now because in summertime, it's just way, way, way too hot. You know? Oh, thank you. Looks like they're working on these fountains over here. Now there's a, this place back here is called Smoke Burgers and Barbecue. Tasty place. They have a very good chopped brisket. Extremely good. Been there once. Very, very tasty. Oh, Mariah Carey, hey. Paradise. So the guy who does the Cake Boss opened a shop in front of Harrah's called Pizza Cake. I haven't tried it yet. Perhaps I will. I'm not sure when. All right. Boys to Men, those cats are always here. This is the Mirage. Let's cross the street. Why not? Yeah. E2 McDonald's with a busted escalator. Oh well. The Mirage.
You need to leave your seat. Use your player's card during our player payback slot and video poker promotion, and we'll cover your first $20 of loss. Wow!
Buffalo!
We'll cover your first $20 of loss by
bottle of water.
I'll walk on the side.
Got a crowd on this side. Everyone's staying out of the sun.
I thought it was the one there. I always give me a big name.
What's up?
And that's down to the Wax Museum.
All right, here we are near the Venetian. Venetian, one of the towers. Is it? Let's see how many jaywalkers we get. Oh, light changed. Eep. Atomic Saloon Show. I think it's topless. I think. I could be wrong. Treasure Island. Hey. And these guys, they always sing when they're riding around. When I first came here, I thought that they would come out from inside the building, but they don't. They ride around here on the gondola, and then back just to here. There's also a little ride on the inside, which only goes inside. But I really wish it had been a loop from inside to outside or something like that, and they could shut it off during inclement weather. But oh well, hey, I didn't design this place. All right, you got the 20-minute mark. I believe we have done what we can on this little segment. We are not done yet. So keep on joining me. We'll keep on walking and walking and walking. So go away, say to me outside, say hello, and I will always say hello back. Take care wherever you are, and have a great day.